My morning routine is to wander around the house a bit in my pajamas and finally remember to make coffee and look outside and take Rusty out. And I'm sort of in a daze every morning. Maybe that's my routine. Eventually I come out here and sit a while. This is my morning place, my afternoon place, my supper place. And Saturday mornings are a little different. I usually get my motorcycle out and go for a spin. Traffic is really light on Saturday mornings. Well, more so on Sunday. But today it's raining and I don't do that when it's wet. Over there is a new thing, a new red bougainvillea, which replaces something that was interesting but not pretty and growing too quickly. And over there is another one that's taller but not flowering. I'll show you more about that later. But Rusty just went inside. He's had quite enough of the rain, and I like it. I like being outside. It's cold, it's chilly, it's kind of too uncomfortable to be out here, but I do it anyway. My things are doing well. Too well. Let's go around here. Sorry to be moving around a bit, but it's making me wet. Getting me wet. I have a small space, but it's cozy. It's interesting. And, well, it's just a lot of things. It was nothing at all when I moved here. Just dirt. So, even though it's not finished, I can be happy with what we have.